Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on multiplication part 2. This video looks at how we multiply by two-digit numbers. We need to do a few preliminary examples before we do this special form of multiplication. Last lesson we saw that 34 times 10 was 340, 457 by 10 is 4,570. We just add the zeros to the end, and 6734 by 10 is 67340. So when you have ones here like that, see the ones? Each of those ones there, and a zero after, you just add the zero at the end. Now when we have numbers like 2, like 20, or 30, or 40, it's a little bit different. So if you have 24 by 20, you are allowed to put the zero there after the 24, but it still becomes 240 times 2. So you still have to multiply by that 2. So 240 times 2 is 480. If you have 453 by 60, you're allowed to put the 0 there, but you still have to multiply by 6. So we have it here. 6 times 0 is 0. 6 threes are 18. Put down the 8, and there's the 1. 6 fives are 30, plus 1 is 31, put the 1 there and there's the 3, and 6 fours are 24, plus 3 is 27. So the main object of this exercise here is when you have multiples of 10, when there is a number in front, not including a 1, you have to put the 0 there, but you still have to multiply by that number. So we need this information for the next part of this video. So if we have 32 times 21, this is a very straightforward one here, without trading, just to illustrate. We start multiplying by here. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 3 is 3. So now we finish multiplying by the 1. Now we have to multiply by the 2. Now this 2 is really a 20, because it's 2 tens, so it's a 20. That's why we put the 0 here. So we put the 0 there because that's actually a 20. Then we do our normal multiplication. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 4 is 7, and 0 plus 6 is 6. So the answer is 672. Here we have 34 times 32. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we have to multiply by the 3, which is really a 30. That's why we put the 0 there. 3 fours are 12, put down the 2, and there's the 1. 3 threes are 9, and 1 is 10. There's your 10. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 1 plus 0 is 1. So the answer is 1088. 674 by 58. Multiply by the 8 first. 8 fours are 32. There's your 2. And there's the 3. 8 sevens are 56. Plus 3 is 59. There's the 9. And there's the 5. 8 sixes are 48. Plus 5 is 53. So we now put the 53 because we're finished. Now these two numbers here that we've traded, they refer to the 5. When we multiply by this 5 here, we're actually multiplying by 50, so that's why we put the 0 there. 5 fours are 20. There's the 0, and there's the 2. These are the numbers up the top. Okay? 5 sevens are 35, plus 2 is 37. There's the 7, and there's the 3. And 5 sixes are 30, plus 3 is 33. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 7 is 10. There's your 0, and there's the 1. And 1 plus 5 plus 3 is 9. And 3 plus 0 is 3. So there's our answer. And we have the final sum here. 7 eighths are 56. There's the 6, and there's the 5. 7 threes are 21, plus 5 is 26. There's the 6, and there's the 2. 7 sixes are 42, plus 2 is 44. There's that 4 and the other 4. And 7 fives are 35, plus 4 is 39. So there's our 39. Now we're multiplying by this 4, which really means we're multiplying by 40. That's why we put the 0 there. 4 eighths are 32. There's your 2 and there's your 3. 4 threes are 12, plus 3 is 15. There's the 5 and there's the 1. 4 sixes are 24, plus 1 is 25. There's the 5 and there's the 2. And 4 fives are 20, plus 2 is 22. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. There's the 4 and there's the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 2 is 6. And 2 plus 0 is 2. And there is your answer. So this has been a very, very useful video where we are showing how to multiply by two-digit numbers. And how it's so important to put the 0 here. Because whatever digit we have there, that's actually in the tens column. That's why we have to put the 0 there. So we hope you've enjoyed this video.